Jimny door panel. It's that simple. Ah! God dang it. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another Suzuki video. My knee is doing a lot better. We are week 4 after the crash and it's gonna be okay, I think. We got Smokey 1, we got Smokey 2 in the back. That's better. Anyway, so we got Smokey 1, we got Smokey 2. And in today's video, it's going to be awesome because, well, the original music installation, the audio installation in the Suzuki Jimny isn't the best. Yeah, doesn't sound that good. Now, I'm not a music expert, but I think my ears started bleeding a couple seconds ago. Anyway, original speakers, 12 centimeters, Rockford Fosgate. Oh yeah, Rockford Fosgate, baby. 150 centimeters. Now, I'm not going to use a subwoofer because I added a lot of stuff on the Jimny already and I do not want it to be too heavy and I enjoy the engine sound. I really don't care that much about music, but I mean, 12 centimeter speakers against Rockford Fosgate 150s, it's going to be a difference. And of course, a typical day, you can't just add 150 centimeter speakers into 120 centimeters. 120 centimeters. 120 centimeters, that's like 1.20 meters high. That's not right. 120 millimeters. You can't put those speakers in it. So, yet again, Jimny style, or some, yeah, these parts should go in the Jimny right away, and I can just easily put 150s in. Let's see. Ooh, shiny. And on any normal day, I do not have many normal days, I would just wing it, get the door installed, and yeah, let's just see what happens. But for today, I tried it on, and well, it does fit. No holes are exactly the same, so I'm gonna have to drill tiny holes to get the speaker in, but as far from that, I think, yeah, not really sure how this is going to be mounted, but anyway, let's just take one door off. But first, I'm gonna have some tea. Yeah, you guys have never seen me drinking any coffee. Only thing you guys are gonna hear is yabba 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 yabba. Not gonna do that. Anyway. In case you're wondering, it's just English breakfast tea. Eep, eep. What's really funny about these Jimnys is that these bolts you see over here, see that? It's made of rubber. Seriously, this is not an iron, steel, or whatever bolt. No, it is rubber. And no, I am not world's strongest man. I cannot bend steel as fast as this. It's rubber. Rubber. Fun fact, I didn't have to take it out. Phone call. Sorry about that. Hello? Ja, dat is wel, dat is wel. Jimny door panel. It's that simple. That's looking all fairly new. Well, probably because it's a new car. But anyway, look at that. This is like the original speaker is not even bigger as 3 of my fingers. Look at that. I mean, that's not good. Gotta get out. Get out. Get out. God dang. Come on. Get out of here. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let's do a comparison. For some reason, the paperwork says that I have to put it on like that. See that? But I just figured out that the speaker doesn't fit like that. So yeah, the speaker does work if I flip it around and do it like that. Then it works fine. But on the normal way, it does not. So for some reason, I think I ordered 2 big speakers. What I thought that was going to be a 5-minute job, plug and play, even required drilling. And my battery's almost dead. This is only 1 speaker. The difference is like, this is just crazy. This is the old side. And this is the new side. I mean, look at that. This is just cardboard. Crazy. So cheap. And Jimnys are expensive, right? Kinda punched a little hole in my finger. Every single time I work on car audio, for some reason, I got a hole in my finger. Every single time. God dang. That's that for today's video. Sound is 10 times as good. I'm very pleased with it. Anyway, thank you guys so much again for watching. And next video, some more fun. Gonna do some crazy stuff. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Drive safe.